Очень важно, в руках 2 бутылки. И теперь я хожу целый день.
We talk a lot about omega fats on this show because as a doctor, I believe the one with rare magic bullet in medicine. You ever brought with the head? Boxes of egg cartons, peanut butter, even eye cream. But not all omegas are created equal.
Бух! Вставай! Вставай!
Fatty acid found in foods like fish, flaxseed, and walnuts. The omega-3 fatty acid are an essential element to the immune system. Omega-3 fats actually reduce and prevent the effects of stress on our body. The omega-3 fats are the calming fats. As far as I'm concerned, you can't get enough omega-3. It's great for warding off cancer, heart disease, even Alzheimer's. And now there's even more reason to keep your omega-3 levels up. And it has to do with another omega you've never heard of. Omega-6. Like omega-3, omega-6 is an essential fatty acid that is critical for your health. But unlike omega-3, too much of omega-6 is not a good thing. In fact, too much can actually overpower and cancel out the healing powers of omega-3. Maintaining the right balance between these two omegas is absolutely vital for your health. So how do you know if you're getting enough? The right combination of your omegas. The answer is to transform your health in 2000.
Сэмик, нет. Сэм, нет, бэк.